Hey guys, so I just want to say this right now. I do curse and I do curse kind of a lot in this video and I don't censor it, so I would just be aware of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy. Yo, what's up guys? I have a problem today. And it's this bullshit ass speaker that they call water resistant, but it's not actually water resistant. So look at this real quick. IPX5, and you guys saw my water test in the unboxing. And this bullshit, it's just not working. I mean, there's still water coming out of it. If I shake it, I can still hear water in it. But this thing will not come on. As soon as it went into the water, and I even let it dry out a little bit, it still won't come on. And if you look in here, there's actually water inside the little port right there. So yeah, this is bullshit. Do not buy it. They just falsely advertised the water resistance because obviously it's not water resistant. Otherwise, it'll still be playing music. So yeah, fuck you, Coby. This is bullshit. Do not get this. $20 wasted. Actually, I'm gonna get a return. I don't even care how much it would have costed if it was like 2 cents. Still return this bullshit. And if you see right here, I'm hitting the switch right now. It's not coming on. There's no life at all. So yeah, guys, this is why I do YouTube. Just to tell you guys about the bullshit like this. Just stay away from it. It may sound okay, but the water resistance is just not there. That was actually something I was excited about. But yeah, it's not happening. So I was actually scared this was going to happen. And it did. So yeah, fuck you, Coby. That was it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I just want to say that. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.